Hi, my name is Peter Buer. I'm the president of Seaspension Technologies in Largo, Florida. And we are the manufacturer of the Seaspension shock absorbing pedestal. This is the base model, if you will, that was the original design, and we kept true to the design from its first days, in that the outside tube, or this partition right here, swivels around its axis, giving you both shock mitigation as well as swiveling capabilities. You just loosen the thing up, and now you can it will lock in its forward facing position again via this knob here that comes in a home position, or you pull it and tighten it back up in any other position. And again, this is nice and sturdy, so if you want to talk to your mate or what have you, you can do so safely. Again, it does not lose its shock mitigation. This pedestal is designed for those boats that have seats with a standard slider. This happens to be a Garlic slider. Bolt holes line up perfectly with ours right here. You can see how they made up. So this is the orientation. Bolt them down, and actually put the handles on opposite sides, and then your seat would mount directly on top, giving you the sliding capability. Now, for those who have a spider type of model, swivel mechanism, then we have a pedestal that is perfect for that. This again is a Garlic spider slider, and how it differs from the standard one is that the rotation happens in the unit itself. So you mount the bearing on top right there, giving you swivel capability as well as fore and aft. And then of course it locks up in any position. By having the ribbed design, the fluted design right here, incorporated into our pedestal, it allows for a secure lock. And again, shock mitigation in any position. This will accommodate most any seat available. Again, bolt pattern is identical to what you would find on most seats, but the main feature is the shock mitigation and suspension. To give you a couple seconds of how this would work, inside the pedestal system itself, there is a shock absorber. It's a tuned suspension system that senses varying degrees of load when it compresses, and also how fast it goes back up. This is not a pogo stick, and it has a progressively rated coilover spring, much like a race car would have, and it sits within the system itself. It's a double pedestal system. So you have the inner tube in here and a 4-inch outer tube, providing for optimum strength. The base is actually bonded. Let's see it. Well, you might not see it so easily. The base is bonded, urethane bonded, right here. We don't use any welding or swedging, which prevents actually strength issues, and we rather go with a urethane bonded process that allows it a little bit of lateral impact mitigation, and once these things are mated, you'll never get them apart again. So we've had great success for the last 10 to 12 years in commercial duty and also in race duty. This is one of the boats that we sponsor. This is commercial military duty, Canadian Coast Guard. This is a boat built for President Bush, H.W. Bush, that has 3 of our pedestals underneath this large seating system. This boat's built by Fountain, and this is the Fidelity 3 presidential seal right there. And this happens to be a Boston Whaler, again, standard type of boat, 20-footer or so, with a standard type of rotor model seat that can to be placed on top of the pedestal system. Again, you know, we say sit down and enjoy the ride, and please do so. And come and visit us at Seaspension.com or go to FloridaInshoreAngler.com to see more about some of the new items that we have coming up. Thank you.